Hello again, Les. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel, and we are going to put some page kits together for Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. So I'm going to be doing page 2, 3, 4, as many as I can get done, and then each week I'll have a new batch of them to come up. So we're just going to go right in line. So the next thing I've got to do is 2 here. I've already got page 1 done. Some of them I've already got done. I am filming this on May 17th. All right, so we've got day 2, Christy's Beautiful Life 30 DS, June 2, and this is also GBBP Red. So we're going to create something in red for Ginger Bush's base page hop for red. So that's the Ginger Bush base page red. And I always write 100 papers. Alright. So this one is by Shannon Keith, and I need 2 photos, and I need red. So that's kind of fun. Let's just do those 2. I've got my photos sitting here in my little book. Now I need a collection that has a red. Oh, you know what? So first I'll create the base page, and then I'll add the photos. So obviously that will, some people are just going to be creating base pages, which is totally fine. Alright, so we've got this sticker sheet, and this is the Homemade with Love Cartabella collection. So I need to pull red. So there we've got a red. Where's that inspiration piece? And that is going to be the last. That is from February of 2026. That is a meatloaf, you guys, that my dad made. Yeah. I feel like since those got red in them, and we've got that. I do need, oh, and you know what? Let's do, let's just pull this and this. I don't think I'm going to need this. Okay, so this, I'm going to put back in that packaging, which usually I throw these away, but it's fine. And I'm going to keep it with this page kit so that I can put it back together on what I don't use. So we've got this and the sticker sheet. All right, so now we have to find other things to go with this, and I've got to keep an eye on my time. All right, so that is not, and some of these are not going to work, which it's fine. That might work. Let's. Okay, we already got that. That is not gonna work. Not gonna work. Summer, and it's definitely not summer. So we're just kind of flipping through whatever tickles my little fancy at the moment. That's got white on it, but I could distress that. I need to cross off what's not in there. Just so you know. Oh, you know what? Too bad that's orange. So let me know if you guys like watching these page kits, because I like making page kits. You guys just, I don't really put it on my channel because no one's ever really asked for it, but I love watching people make page kits. I know I'm a weirdo. So like this is just everything that I don't have papers for anymore. Whatnot. And I, you know, obviously don't throw away the embellishments. That'd be weird. No. That flew out at me. And I may not even make it through everything before I'm like, that's pretty good, but I think I'm gonna need more. Higher Tulsa. Okay, so there's that one. Let's see. we've got that. I don't really know if I can use that. That's vacation. New. Okay. I mean, because there are these little hearts, so I could use those. Yeah, all right, I'm digging that. I'm digging that. What do we have here? No. Did you like that? It was like a hard no right away. Just no. This, they're all rusting, so I'm very upset about that. Which is why they're in here, but you can see like that's rust from these little suckers. Which is sad. But it kind of gives it a vintage feel, so you can use it. But I'm not happy about it. Very not happy. But yeah, that's just, it's like ew. All right, I'm gonna, that doesn't even go. Here is my other what the heck. Ooh. He's reading. I need to use those for something. One of those page kits I've already created. You ain't seen that one yet. All right. I think that's gonna give us our what we're looking for. All right. So this all needs to go in one of these, and then I'm gonna have to keep these in order because this is gonna have to be the first one that I scrapbook. So. Come on, you little bugger. All right. All right. Only 8 minutes. Yeah, we got that one. Okay, next is day 3. I'm all discombobulated. All right, this is some tags. And what else do we have? Nothing. All right, so I just need 2 or 3 photos. I feel like that's the exact same photo, so we're gonna go with those. And then, ow, I just hit myself. What if? I could use more of that cooking. Just saying. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna put this one in with that. And then hopefully so we'll pull from that. That one wasn't all that exciting, I know. I'm sorry. That's kind of how I create page kits. I pull out a collection and I kill it. All right, so this, I need orange. So this is June 4, 100 papers, and this is for Ginger Bush Base Page Orange. And that's Amanda Bass. That is one big photo, but I might turn it like that because then I can use, oh wait, That's got 4 photos. So let's do that one. Sam took me to the movies for Mother's Day. What is? What did I just do with that collection I just pulled? Guys. Oh, there it is. I just feel like this will be a fun one to use it on. Because it's all about my little boy. So I'm going to pretend he's still a little boy. This was a scrap room kit. Alright, so I think that we need to get rid of that. Let's do... We're just going to put that all in there, you guys, because that is what is left. So I'll peel this off the best that we can. Alright, now I've got to find things to go in there. So we have that. I can probably put that in there. I know it's a boy layout, but does it matter? No, it doesn't. Because I'm the boss of this layout. Don't hate on me. What do we have? See if we got anything in here. It's not summertime. No, it was Easter. It wasn't really Mother's Day, I don't think. I don't remember now. I don't remember. Because we went to movies. We've been to the movies a couple of times. Let's throw that in there. You know there's orange in that collection. I'm gonna throw those in with a different thing. I know. That's what I do. Like this is a bunch of rando stuff. Alright, I think next time we need to start from the back. Because by the time I get back here, I've got a whole bunch of stuff already. Alright. I think that we just... Okay. So that's a good one. And again, I'm not going to use up all these embellishments. And I will just resort them. And, oh, you know what? That was supposed to be for orange. And that was all blue. We'll see. We'll see what I can do. Alright. I might have to create an orange base page. Alright, so the next one is going to be for Mixed Media Mayhem. I'm hoping that someone other than me tries to create some recipes. Because I feel like it's just like always the same thing. I'm like, right? Alright. Still looking at the time. We're doing pretty good. I was trying to get the whole week done, but yeah, you guys, I don't know if that's going to happen. Alright, so here's day 5. And also... so this is mixed. This is going to be Mixed Media Mayhem, and it's 3 photos. But I think we can make these work because I can cut this one down to the Twix. So that's in Tennessee. All right. Next up, what collection? I like this one. Have faith. And it is from 2020. Okay. Ooh, got a parts. They don't do that crap anymore. Okay, so we've got that. I like that for the back. I could do that, and then I'm going to need a few others like that. Let's bring in a yellow, maybe. Oh, you know what? I like that too. But that's weird because that's more cream and that's white. But you know what? I ain't gonna judge. Oh, I don't know if I. Anyway, it'll be fine. I thought I seen Jesus on here, but it doesn't say that. Okay. So let's do that, and then we're gonna add the sticker sheet, which there is Jesus. Okay, I knew I seen Jesus somewhere.